Found something?
Oh, come on, I need one book. I need to hit the ground. Hello.
Hello?
Guess how many pages this has? Can I tell you? It's 1,000. 1,000. Hey Moses, look up here. 200. Moses,
Yeah?
what did the bird say when they was born?
What did the bird say?
I can read it, I can read it.
What did the bird say?
Because it's too far to walk.
It's too far to walk, right? Yeah, what are you reading? What's that? Who's that? Is that a bald guy again? I've seen him twice already.
How to become an expert?
What I found a joke book and she was asking me about it. Did you have a joke book?
How to be an expert.
But you're not an expert. All right, got it.
Hello.
Hello. Oh my God, what is that? What are you reading? Oh, Dogman. You love Dogman. So do you. What is that? Oh, that's very cool. I like that.
I haven't seen the small one. Oh, is there another side? Yeah, use the small one. Go, use it.
There's no small one.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's what Alpha just said. I like this one. I give up again. Oh, he's a dog. That is a man. Who's that? Oh, he's a. Oh, it's how he became dog. Ew, what's that? It's big. It's gonna be inside. Look, I don't touch it. Oh. Oh, I have.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
Oh my God!
Is that an ant? It's an ant. Hey.
It's like a real ant.
It is, yeah. They are real ants. They're pictures of ants.
So sweet. It's not creepy
Where did you find this book?
Where did you find this book?
This one here. This.
No.
Hello, Lynn. That's alright. Moses. That's Ian getting dropped to today.
Ascot Park.
Escott Park.
Marilyn, if I may ask, why did you create a bookstore as beautiful as this? Nah, considering where technology is going, why a bookstore?
Well, books have come and gone. You know, they've had their rise and
Yeah.
their fall. We've had e-books, we've had all kinds of stuff.
Yeah,
But I can speak just from as we are today,
yeah,
that we're having enormous success. People have decided it's the perfect format
Yeah.
for reading.
Yeah.
It is transportable. You can open it up at any page. You can share it with other people.
Yeah.
And it's not too expensive.
And it seems like they love it. Nothing has changed, yeah. I mean, regardless of how much the world has changed, it seems like children instinctively still go back to books.
Yeah, I think so. I think it's because of how tactile they are,
Yeah.
and how they remain the same. You know that story's going to be on page 17
Yeah.
every time that you go back to it. And yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, that's Marilyn from Unity Books. Thank you very much for having us today.
Oh, it's our pleasure. We're so thrilled to know you were coming, and it's so neat to meet all these new people.
No, it's brilliant, yeah. And they love it. Yeah, no, you will, definitely. There are books everywhere. So,
Make our own comic.
oh, you can make your own comic. Oh, I was actually asking for the possibility of a comic, but you can actually make your own. Well, there you go. You can create your own and your own superhero. Hello. Thank you very much again.
Oh, kia ora.
Appreciate it.
What is the most dangerous sauce of things?
The what?
What is the most dangerous thing that is a saucer?
What's the most strangest thing that is, well, you don't want me to look at it? What is it? You tell me.
Joke!
Okay, it's a joke. Okay, what is it?
Electricity.
Electricity. Really? Oh, goodness. Smart people. Pay attention.
Get out of that thing! Yeah. Look at this sinking. You're trying to sink. Sink. Look at that. And then when they don't I don't know.
What are you doing on the floor? Off the ground. Ladies and gentlemen, Unity Books. Thank you very much.